Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everybody? In the last episode, Alhamdulillah, I have explained the rule of Iqlab. And today, inshallah, we are gonna explain the last rule of the rules of Noon Sakina and Tanween, and it's called Ikhfaa. Actually, it's the hardest rule from the rules of Noon Sakina and Tanween. So for that, we have to focus on this rule more and explain and practice it more to the students, okay, till master it, because it's a little bit easy for them to get the correct pronunciation of it. So in the first, inshallah, let's start to explain the meaning of this rule. Ikhfa means to hide. And the letters of Ikhfa, there are many letters, and actually it's a little bit hard to say all of them to the students. They will confused. Okay, so if I say ta ta jim dal dal zay sin shin sad dot ta dha fa qaf kaf, he will fail. It's hard to get all of them. So to make it easy more, say to the student any letter other than the letters of idhar. So Hamza, ha, ayn, ha, qayn, kha. This is the letters of idhar, or the letter of iqlab, ba, or the letters of idgham, yarmalun. Drop all of these letters from the alphabet, and any other letter, it will be the letter of ikhfa. Okay? It's more easy to let them know the letters of ikhfa by this way, inshallah. Method of pronunciation. So the rule is, if any letter other than the letters of idhar, qlab, or idgham follow with noon sakina or tanween, we have said that, the reciter should hide the noon sakina and make gunna. So in this rule also we make gunna, except idhar just. It's the only rule from the rules of noon sakina and tanween we make it clear without any sound of gunna. The other three rules we make gunna with them, okay? So then if the noon sakina or tanween is followed by a heavy letter, we know the heavy letters, they are collected in these words. خص ضغط قص. So خ صاد ضاد غين طاء قاف or ضاء, if we find any letter of them, okay, followed by noon sakina or tanween, the sound of gunna should also be heavy. So we will make the sound of gunna heavy. But if the noon sakina or tanween is followed by a light letter, so light letters, any other letter from the letters of ikhfa except the heavy letters, okay? The sound of gunna should also be light. The sign of Ikhfa in Quran. It's the same for idgham. Remember, with idgham also, noon sakina, it doesn't has any mark. It's noon without any haraka. Okay, and this is also noon sakina. And the shape of tanween, fath and kasr, there is a space between the double of haraka. And tanween dam, you will find the example or the shape of it. It's like a small to wow, like that. So how can we pronounce the sound of this rule correctly, like that? In order to pronounce the ikhfa correctly, place your tongue at the point of articulation of ikhfa letter and pronounce the gunna. This example with noon sakina, we can find this example in the first one in two words, but here in one word, but all the examples with tanween in two words, okay? So let's read some of examples here like this. لن تغني لن. Note the sound of gunna here is light. Why? Because noon sakina is followed by ta, and ta, it is not from the heavy letters, it is one from the light letters. So for this I made the gunna light. The same for the next example here is with tanween. Note tanween here, and this is ta, it's the same. We should make the gunna here light, like this. جنات تجري. The sound is light. Note this example in one word, okay? And it's in one word also. Let's pronounce an example on heavy غنة till inshallah get the difference between the sound of heavy and the sound of light غنة. Like this example here. ينصركم note. I don't say ينصركم. No, I said ين. The sound of the غنة, it's heavy. Not ين, it's ينصركم. Okay? Till we don't make the video it's so long, you will inshallah practice with your student all the examples, okay? You find them here and read all of them with him, okay? And after you inshallah explain the rule and make sure he got it, alhamdulillah, open the mushaf for him and let him to catch some words from the surah which he memorizes or recites, okay? Like this. Look for this word. This is an example on Ikhfaa. Why? Because we find noon sakinat followed by ta. Ta is one from the letters of Ikhfaa. Should let the student to pronounce it, okay? Like this. Antum, okay? Antum. And ask him, this is a light or heavy ghunna. This is so important also. I'm sorry. I think it's easy, alhamdulillah. And we are gonna stop here today. Inshallah, we will continue next episode. And don't forget to make, inshallah, a dua for our sister Wafa. May Allah forgive her. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.